Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely friends are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Please support me like this forever. Once more, thanks very much. And secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of crochet turtlenecks ideas. So it's totally handmade collection, so please don't skip the video or watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of most popular and most amazing collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of amazing ideas. I really hope that they will love these turtleneck line designs, very beautiful designs. They will like, and you know very well, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Must apply these popular designs, viewers, and must make for yourself, because it's very easy to make and totally handmade. So thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs like my video, and subscribe my channel, please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.